Hi there guys, welcome to my video on orthographic projection to an isometric points or lamina. We're going to be simply joining the points that we see in front of us on each view to form lamina. Lamina, of course, is a flat surface that consists of 3 or more points to form a surface by joining the points. Alright, so what we have in front of us is a 3D planes model that is presenting a front view, a top view, and a left side view. Each one of these views contain 3 dots. Okay, we're going to call them points rather, and they are going to only be given on the flat surface. Alright, there we go. If you can see that, we're going to spin it around for you a little, and you'll see that each one of these surfaces contain their own points. Alright, it's flat on the actual surface. What we are going to be tasked with is to actually go ahead and find the 3D points. Alright, those points that are actually suspended in mid-air. I'd also like to highlight the fact that we have these planes over here, but yet there is another plane that is missing, and I'm going to be filling that one in for us very soon. There it is over there. If I highlight that one over there, you'll be able to see that that is my right side view. Alright, right side view on the left hand side, and my left side view is on the right hand side. Top view, and obviously my front view. So all my suspended points will be fitting inside of this box, in this empty space that this box provides. Alright, so I'm going to not work with the right side view today. We're simply going to be focusing on the front view and nothing, front view, left side view, and top view to find our suspended points. I would like to highlight that we are working with first angle orthographic projection and not third angle orthographic projection. Alright, let's get started. We know that those points exist and they give us 2D or 2 dimensions on each view. So theoretically, I'm trying to find this point over here, that point over here, and this point over here highlighted. Alright, so what I would really want to do is I want to be able to go and project off each one of my views. I want to take the points from the surface at 30 degrees and project it outward. I'm going to be setting up the view we're going to be working on, and here you'll be able to see straight on the actual projection from each one of these planes. I'm going to highlight each one of these so we have good view of what we are doing. So from my top view, I'm going to go ahead and project upwards vertically. If you are working with an isometric drawing, you would be obviously lining up your set square vertically from the points on the top view and projecting straight up. Now these points would typically have to line up with this point over here, this point over here, and this point over here. Notice that I've only used the front view and the top view for this sake. I only need the 2 views to be able to find these points. So I can use either the left side view or the top view, or I can use the left side view and the front view, or I can use the front view and the top view. In this case, I've used the front view and the top view. Okay, this is because obviously I have the 3 dimensions found in both these views. If I have a height and a length, I will also have a width in my top view. That's the 3rd dimension found in 2 views. Alright, for your accuracy's sake, you could go ahead and project from your left side view as well, like I'm going to be doing right now. And I'm going to find where these points intersect. There we go, on that point over there, there, and there. We'll highlight them. This point here, here, and here. Let's go ahead and show them over there. I'm going to need to go ahead and plot those points. There we go. Okay. Now you'll be able to see that there are actual points in mid-air. Okay. There they are, there, there, and there. I'd like to actually go ahead and make these known. So there we go. I have those 2 points. I have this point here. And if I really wanted to, I could join it from my left side view. See those two over there. And I'm going to go ahead and join these 2 points. Right, those are the only projections I will really need. If you are working on an isometric view, you will need to use your 30-degree set square to go ahead and project away from the actual wall of the front view and find the intersection point that is intersecting with this line going vertically up. 30-degree line, vertical line, 30-degree line, vertical line. Right, this is really as easy as that. What I'd like to do is also stipulate the fact that we would have had these points over here to line up. Alright, and if the question did display the name lamina instead of finding just the suspended points, I would be able to go ahead and go and find the lamina for each one. So what I'd like to do is for each view I would have had this happen over here. My front view I would have had this happen, and my left side view I would have had this happen. Now it does seem quite confusing when you first look at it, but please follow what we've done. All we've done is on the actual flat surface we've actually just joined the points to form lines. When the lines are joined to each other, we've formed flat surfaces which are lamina. And when we are tasked to find the suspended lamina instead of suspended points, we would then end up with an example such as this. There it is there. There we go. So when I look at my front view, I see that. I look at my left side view, I'll be able to see that. And when I look at my top view, I will see that. Okay, so just a little recap. If we are finding points, you would typically not be able to see any of these lamina. We are simply going to be showing these 3 points and projecting them off the actual flat surface of my left side view to be able to intersect with another flat surface's points that is either going to be projected vertically up or 30 degrees to the different direction off of that surface. If I needed the lamina, I'm typically just going to go ahead and join the points on that surface, and then I'll be able to go and find the suspended points first, and like I did over here, join the points to form lamina. I would have found these 3 points first and simply join them with lines to form the lamina that I needed. Guys, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and if there's anything that you guys need to have explained to you or anything like that, please comment on the videos. If you need to, please like the videos so that others can see that these are good videos. If not, then also comment for more suggestions. Thank you very much for watching.